Crash course on Costa Rica, food and drink. Costa Rica is not only known for its stunning natural beauty and biodiversity but also for its vibrant and flavorful cuisine. In this crash course, we will explore the rich culinary heritage of Costa Rica, share fascinating stories and examples, list and describe the top 12 food and drink experiences, and conclude with a mouth-watering poem and a lively song dedicated to the flavors of Costa Rica. Costa Rican cuisine reflects the country's agricultural abundance and diverse cultural influences. The traditional food is characterized by its simplicity, freshness, and reliance on local ingredients. Rice, beans, fresh fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices are the foundation of many dishes. The cuisine is also heavily influenced by Afro-Caribbean, Spanish, and indigenous flavors, creating a unique culinary tapestry. One intriguing story that showcases the culinary heritage of Costa Rica is the tale of the casado. The casado is a traditional Costa Rican dish that translates to married man. It originated from the practice of wives preparing a plate of food for their husbands, typically consisting of rice, beans, meat or fish, salad, and plantains. This wholesome and balanced meal has become an integral part of the country's culinary identity, representing the marriage of flavors and ingredients. Another fascinating example is the coffee culture in Costa Rica. Coffee production has been a significant part of the country's history and economy for centuries. The fertile volcanic soil and ideal climate provide optimal conditions for growing high-quality coffee beans. Costa Rica is renowned for its specialty coffees, and coffee tours and tastings are popular among visitors. Exploring coffee plantations and learning about the art of coffee making offers a fascinating glimpse into the country's agricultural traditions. Now, let's embark on a culinary adventure and discover the top 12 food and drink experiences in Costa Rica. 1. Gallo Pinto. Considered the national dish of Costa Rica, gallo pinto is a hearty and flavorful breakfast dish made with rice, beans, onions, bell peppers, and spices. It is often accompanied by eggs, plantains, and tortillas. 2. Casado. This traditional lunchtime meal combines rice, beans, meat, such as chicken, beef, or fish, salad, and plantains. It's a delicious and satisfying plate that represents the essence of Costa Rican cuisine. 3. Ceviche. Fresh and tangy, ceviche is a popular seafood dish made with marinated raw fish or shrimp, lime juice, onions, peppers, and cilantro. It's a refreshing and zesty appetizer or light meal. 4. Ala de carne. Ala de carne is a comforting beef soup made with tender chunks of beef, vegetables, potatoes, and spices. It's a popular dish during the rainy season and provides warmth and nourishment. 5. Chifrijo. A beloved Costa Rican snack, chifrijo combines rice, beans, chicharrones, fried pork rinds, and pico de gallo. It's a flavorful and crispy dish often enjoyed with a cold beer. 6. Salsa Lozano. Salsa Lozano is a tangy and slightly sweet condiment that adds a unique flavor to Costa Rican dishes. It's often drizzled over rice, beans, or used as a marinade for meats. 7. Tamales. Tamales are a traditional Costa Rican dish made with corn dough filled with seasoned meat, vegetables, and wrapped in banana leaves. They are steamed to perfection and enjoyed during special occasions. 8. Arroz con leche. A creamy and comforting rice pudding made with rice, milk, cinnamon, and raisins. It's a popular dessert that showcases the sweetness of Costa Rican cuisine. 9. Chorreadas. Chorreadas are delicious corn pancakes made with fresh corn, flour, and milk. They are typically enjoyed for breakfast or as a snack and are often served with sour cream and cheese. 10. Imperial beer. Imperial is the most popular beer in Costa Rica, known for its crisp and refreshing taste. It's the perfect beverage to accompany a meal or to enjoy while lounging on the beach. 11. Guaro. Guaro is a traditional Costa Rican liquor made from sugarcane. It's often mixed with soda or fruit juices to create refreshing cocktails like the popular Cacique Sour. 12. Pipa Fria. To quench your thirst on a hot day, indulge in a pipa fria, which is a chilled green coconut. Sip on the sweet and hydrating coconut water while enjoying the tropical vibes of Costa Rica. Summarizing this crash course on Costa Rican food and drink, we've explored the diverse culinary heritage of the country, shared intriguing stories and examples, and listed the top 12 gastronomic experiences that capture the essence of Costa Rica's flavors. From hearty casados to refreshing ceviche and aromatic coffee, Costa Rica offers a culinary journey that delights the senses and celebrates the country's vibrant culture. And now, as promised, let's savor the flavors of Costa Rica through a delectable poem and a lively song. Poem. In the land of vibrant flavors, where tastes come alive, Costa Rica's cuisine, a symphony that thrives. Gallo pinto at sunrise, a breakfast so divine. Rice, beans, and spices, a perfect start to dine. Casados at midday, a marriage of delights. Rice, beans, and plantains, in sync they unite. Ceviche, fresh and zesty, a taste of the sea. Lime-infused perfection, a culinary decree. Olla de carne, a soup to warm the soul. Beef and vegetables, a comforting bowl. Chifrijo, crispy and flavorful, a snack that pleases. Rice, beans, and chicharrones, a taste that teases. Salsa Lozano, a condiment with a tangy flair. Drizzled on every dish, a flavor beyond compare. Tamales wrapped in banana leaves, a festive treat. Corn dough and fillings, a delicacy to eat. Arroz con leche, a creamy and sweet delight. Rice, milk, and cinnamon, a dessert to ignite. Chorreadas, corn pancakes, golden and light. Served with cream and cheese, a culinary delight. Imperial beer, crisp and refreshing to the core. A taste of Costa Rica, a beverage to adore. Guaro, the spirit of the land, sugarcane's embrace. In cocktails and celebrations, its essence we embrace. Pipa fria, chilled coconut water, nature's own gift. Sip on its sweetness, spirits it will uplift. Costa Rica's food and drink, a culinary parade. A feast for the senses, memories never fade. Song. Verse 1. In Costa Rica, the flavors dance. From sunrise breakfast to the evening's chance. Gallo pinto, a breakfast delight. Rice and beans, a morning's light. Chorus. Oh, Costa Rica, your cuisine so grand. A symphony of flavors from this vibrant land. Casados and ceviche, a taste so true. Costa Rican food, we're falling for you. Verse 2. Olla de carne, a soup so warm. With beef and veggies, it's a comforting charm. Chifrijo and salsa Lozano, a spicy affair. Costa Rican flavors, beyond compare. Chorus. Oh, Costa Rica, your cuisine so grand. A symphony of flavors from this vibrant land. Tamales and arroz con leche, a sweet delight. Costa Rican food, a culinary flight. Bridge. Imperial beer and guaro, the drinks of choice. Raise a glass and let's rejoice. Pipa fria, coconuts embrace. Costa Rican flavors, a tropical grace. Chorus. Oh, Costa Rica, your cuisine so grand. A symphony of flavors from this vibrant land. From breakfast to dessert, a feast so true. Costa Rican food, we're in love with you. Asterisk 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 start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.